Yeah.
We are going to hand over a list of 152 closed outlets to the county commissioner to also, because as he's the county commissioner of Uasin Gishu, but then we have a list which we are going to give it to the regional commissioner so that then he can give it down to the other commissioner. So we are going to give out that 152 list to the county commissioner and the regional commissioner to be able to help us enforce that in collaboration with our region's head of pharmacy. And why is it important for us to weed out the quacks? Because the name itself, pharmacy and poisons, medicine in the right dosage is useful. Medicine in the wrong, be it high, low, wrongly stored, is a poison. So as Pharmacy and Poisons Board, we want to ensure quality, safe and efficacious medicine circulating in the Kenyan market. So if they're not stored in a proper way, they lose that efficacy, they lose that quality, it may turn up into a poison. So we're encouraging the public to be able to look out to only registered premises. And if you have...
Wote tumeshirikiana, tumefanya mapping kuhakikisha katika mandate yao sehemu gani ambazo tuko na chemists ama hospitali ambao wamefungua tu bandia nyuma ya maduka ambao hazina licenses. Kwa hivyo kuna kazi wamefanya kwa muda wa kama wiki moja. Watatueleza wale ambao wameshikwa kwa sababu operation ilikuwa no drift ambao sisi kama Uasin Gishu tuko ndani kuhakikisha kwamba zile clinics ambazo hazina licenses zinafungwa na wale ambao wanahusika wanastakiwa ku face the law. Tumefanya pia ushirikiano na hawa kuhakikisha kwamba yale ambao zile kliniki wamefunga hazitafunguliwa tena bila kupata licenses ama kufanya hiyo kazi kwa njia ambayo inatakikana.